because who I am should make you feel a little bit insecure about who you are. It should make you wonder, are you on your square? It should make you wonder, are you really giving your best? Because when I come into the room, everybody ought to step their game up. So I'm not.
Hey y'all, watch how this aloe vera plant give my hair life, my hair and my scalp life. Yeah, y'all, I lost that rubber band the day before I filmed this video, and I'm just now finding it. Yeah, so I'm just going to start off by saturating my hair with water, make sure you never do your hair on dry hair. Like, make sure your hair is always wet, because that cuts down on the breakage. And of course, I am just sectioning my hair off into 3. I can't even say 4, I'm gonna say 3. And of course, I'm starting with the back of my head. I don't know why. I guess it's just the easiest to me. And so I'm saturating my hair, making sure I get it nice and wet before I apply anything to it, any tension, anything. And now I'm starting on the even smaller section. You see how lifeless my curls are right there? Very dry hair. So of course I comb from the ends all the way up to the roots. And I am just taking down some box braids, some jumbo box braids that I had. And it's just a little length check. Let you see where I'm at. This is how I prepared the aloe vera plant. And you guys, it is really slimy, but that's okay. Kind of stink a little bit too, but after you wash it out, you don't smell it no more. So right there, you just see me kind of just poke into it to make more of the juice come out. It's really simple, you guys. I promise you, natural hair is easy once you get the hang of it. So all my natural beauties out there, please stay natural. Okay, so right here, I am just making sure that it's enough holes in the aloe vera plant. And I'm just pretty much getting all of the juice out and getting it on my head. On my hair, rather. But I'm also going to rub it into my scalp. And then I'm going to go in with some grapeseed oil. Just a dime size amount, and just rub that, rake that through as well. And apparently I got some more. I'm just going to comb it through. Comb it all through. And then I'm just going to twist this bad boy up, and I'm going to start on the next section. And I'm going to start on the next section. So I'll let you guys just watch. Girl, look at them curl. You better, aloe vera plant, you better work. Look at those curls, you guys. And I'm back to being quiet. Oh, one thing I forgot to mention. Aloe vera juice is great for your hair. Not only your hair, but your skin. You can even use this on your face. You can use this all over your body. Aloe vera is the best moisturizing plant there is out there. I know it seems skeptical, you guys, but just try it. Don't knock it till you try it. This thing is great. It has great properties for your face, for your skin, shoot, for the inside of your body. The aloe vera plant is just a great moisturizer for your body, period, inside and out. Okay, I am all finished with that side. Now I will be back when I'm finished with my whole head, and this is the finished results. As you can see, my twists are very juicy, have lots of moisture. Thank you guys for watching. Please stay tuned for more videos.